To enable who can send friend request on Facebook. So first of all, simply open your Facebook, then head over to your settings by tapping on the hamburger menu right over here. After then, scroll down and go to the setting and privacy. Tap over here and a drop menu will appear. Now simply tap on the settings and then go to audience and visibility section by scrolling down. Here you'll find audience and visibility. Here in the third option there is how people find and contact you. Make sure to tap on that. And there you have it. Here is the icon who can send you friend requests. Now tap on there and I have selected on everyone. That means anyone across the globe. If they type in my username they can find me, but if you want to restrict it you can always tap on friends of friend. In that way only the friends of your friends will be able to send your friend request. You can always switch back, and if you want to save, simply tap on save and the setting will be saved. And that's it guys. In this way you can enable who can send friend requests on Facebook on your account. If you enjoyed the video then like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem or queries comment down below.